Hello and welcome to our latest video on using Reddit. In our previous video, we learned how to create a Reddit account, but getting started in Reddit communities can be a bit challenging. In this video, I'll guide you on how to join these communities. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Reddit application and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Find the right Reddit community. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to look for a community you'd like to join. Once you find the community, you will see a join button. Click on this button and you will successfully join the group. You can also manage your notification setting from the notification button on the three dots. I hope this process is clear for you. We will continue to create helpful content, so if you don't want to miss any updates, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. We will see in our next video. Until then, stay safe and happy.